Gcash is one of the various digital payments and financial service platforms used in the Philippines. In the Philippines, it is difficult to access financial services, such as opening accounts and issuing credit cards. This is no different for us who are foreigners. So, today, let's check how to create a Gcash account. First, download and install the Gcash app from the App Store on your smartphone. Open the app and enter the necessary information to sign up to create an account. In this process, you must provide personal information such as name, date of birth, and phone number. After signing up, you will register your valid ID to authenticate yourself and get fully verified from the app. This helps to make the use of the service safe by enhancing security. After fully verified, your usage limit would be 100,000 pesos a month. If you want to increase the limit further, you can link it with your bank account or online payment system. There are two things to be aware while you are signing up and registering process. First, when you register your ID, you must use it as the original. If you take a picture which saved on your phone with another camera, it won't be approved. Second, do not try to transfer a SIM card to another cell phone while registering. Gcash recommend that using one account on one cell phone when registering or logging in. When registration fails, there are some people who try to transfer their SIM card to another cell phone, and in this case, the SIM card is automatically locked because it is recognized as a hack by its system. After that, even if you try to register, you can continue to pop up only with error messages. So, please be careful. Gcash is a platform that adds funds to your account and use it for transactions. You can add funds through various methods, such as internet banking, bank transfers, and deposits from Gcash partner stores. Once Gcash has been funded, now, you are ready to use several services, including digital payments, online remittances, and payments. Have a nice day. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe to me. You could find out details of the video in my blog below too.